Hi, everyone. My name is Leslie Carver. I serve as Provost of Thurgood Marshall College, and I'm really excited to be able to welcome you to Marshall College, UC San Diego, and the Marshall family. As Provost, my job is to oversee the academic and administrative functions in the college. So I supervise the staff in academic advising, student life, residential life, and the Dimensions of Culture writing program, which is more relevant to our first years than to the transfer students. I'm also a professor in the psychology department, so I do research in the development of infant brains. Happy to talk to any students about that if you're interested. I'm really fortunate that I'm able to work with a great team of really dedicated professionals in all of our areas at Marshall College, and that I'm able to work with all the other provosts to develop programs that are beneficial to our students. We have a lot of programs that are specific to transfer students, both in the colleges in general and in Marshall colleges. In about a year, you'll be eligible for the Marshall Mentor Program. That's an outstanding program that we have that connects transfer students in their second year with faculty, and those faculty provide mentorship on transitions to careers, graduate school, or whatever your next step might be. We also have a mentorship program for peers to mentor each other. So we have second year transfer students mentor first year transfer students in that program. We have a transfer year experience course that I teach. That course is actually full right now, but it's a great way about learning about resources on campus. And if you're interested, you can get on the wait list for that class as soon as it opens up. And I really try in all my teaching to get students to be able to come into the class off the wait list if at all possible. You are joining your college with a really rich history. Marshall was formed as a direct result of the student movement in 1970. Our namesake is Thurgood Marshall, who was the first Black Supreme Court Justice. And as a result of both of those things, we really try to develop our students as scholar and citizen. That's our theme. And it's really about students being engaged both in their academics, but also in their communities. We have a strong focus on social justice and diversity, and really keeping our students engaged in their community and helping to solve any problems or issues that they see with their communities, whether that be here or when you go back to where you're from after you graduate. We're really excited that you're going to be joining us this year to add to the legacy of our college. And throughout the day today, you're going to meet orientation leaders who are Marshall students just like you. And they're amazing students and student leaders. Many of them are transfer students, and also some of the incredible staff that we have here at Marshall College. Like I said, they are very dedicated professionals. They really understand their jobs, and they're really committed to your success. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you during session 2, which will come closer to the start of the academic year. I'm also really excited to meet with any of you throughout the school year. If you're interested in talking to me about anything, I'll be happy to talk to you about my research, about what I do as provost, about anything I can help you with. Meeting with students is one of my favorite parts of this job. You can connect with me by email, tmcprovost@ucsd.edu. I also will have office hours. Right now they're by appointment. I'm trying to find some time in my calendar to have set office hours, but I'm always happy to meet with students and make appointments if that's what's necessary. Or if I have office hours and it's not at a time that works for you, I'm happy to make appointments outside that time as well. You can also follow Marshall College on our social media. We're at Your TMC Family on most of the social media platforms. Thanks and welcome again to UC San Diego and Marshall College.